Hello friends, students. Today I brought you a video regarding the syllabus for the BSc Physics for the BSc degree of 3 years degree course for physics stream. So we'll start with the video, but prior to that I will say you that please subscribe my channel to latest updates and videos, and please like my video so that I will get boosted, okay, and I will make more videos for you. So we'll start with the video. See, for semester 1, it's classical physics part is there. In that unit 1, Newton's law, all types, first, second, third law, this, and some demonstration, example demonstrations also is there. Then elasticity chapter, as you all know that we have elasticity chapter in class 12 also, that you have studied in class 12 also, because after class 12 you are preparing for the BSc degree in physics. So elasticity is there. It is also having the same concepts, almost same concept is there. Some derivations, extra derivations are there in that, and some little extra demonstrations compared to 12th class it is there. So fluid dynamics, over here also you have a study the Bernoulli equation and all, partial equation, partialities, and this applications of this Bernoulli's, then streamlined turbulent flow, this fluid dynamics part. Okay, then part 2, Lenz maker formula. In physics also, in 11th physics you have studied, I guess, a little bit some concepts and formulas for lenses, so mirror formula and all. Then after that focal length, these all, then aberration, this chapter, then interference. Okay, so this is there in unit 2. Then in unit 3, behavior of real gases. In 12th also you have seen real gases according to the parameters of pressure, volume and temperature, all gas laws and all. Then van der Waals equation. Okay, then thermodynamic system in kinetic theory also you have studied in 12th also, that zeroth law of thermodynamics and all, concept of heat, internal energy, enthalpy and all. These all adiabatic processes, isothermal, these all concepts again you have to revise in this first year of BSc physics actually, because this is the semester 1, that means first year physics syllabus it is actually. So then it completes. Then again the second part is there in this physics of FY in semester 1, modern physics in this structure of nuclei. Okay, nuclei also in atoms, molecules and nuclei chapter in 12th also have done that part. We will be again discuss in more enhanced way, or more derivations and numerical ability you have to use over here. Then radioactivity in that chapter also you have studied that radioactivity. We have alpha, beta, gamma, these all we have compared previous year. Then this year also you have to elaborate some more and numerical problems and all. Then carbon dating. Okay, carbon dating concept is there. Then again unit 2. So what I am telling is I guess it sounds to be a easy one. If we have studied 12th physics properly, then it will not be a difficult one for you. So now but this unit 2, and there is ionization chamber, proportional counter, GM counter, Geiser-Miller counter, you have studied also this also. Then these experiments and examples you have to study in this. Then unit 3, in unit 3 quantum theory. Okay, black body, this all. Then Davison-Germer, you also studied this experiment in class 12, Wien's displacement law, these all. Then Thomson experiment, this all you have to do in this part 1 of unit 3. Then X-rays production, this is also well versed with you students in class 12 only. Then Compton effect, production of this X-rays, then air characteristics, then photons, gravity, gravitational redshift and all. Okay, then it will conclude with the practical sessions. Okay, you have all the practicals of these particular units related topics and all in semester 1. Now we'll see semester 2. In semester 2, see, in it's some mathematical part is there, that in maths you have studied algebra, vectors and derivative, integration and this all. So we'll see over here in vector algebra you have vectors, scalars and all this you have to do. Then unit 1, then again gradient, divergence and curls, these operators and all, this you have to do. Then in unit 2, differential equation, as I told, differential equation, derivatives and all related to that. Then you have transient response of circuits, series LR, inductance, resistance, then capacitance, resistance, these LCR, these circuits you have to study in this of unit 1 of physics, of part 1 mathematical physics. Then unit 2, in unit 2 superposition of collinear harmonic oscillation is there, then superposition of two perpendicular harmonic oscillation is there. Then here is the wave motion. Wave motion also you have studied in class 12. Then we come with the second part of this semester 2, that is electricity and electronics. In what these alternating current, AC current, this type, then series, LCR circuits and all, then parallel, both series and parallel, that I guess in your chapter of magnetic effect and electric current, these you have studied. Then after EMI and all, electromagnetic induction and all, then AC bridges, there's general AC bridge, Maxwell, D Sauty, these three over these four also much more important actually. Definitely they are used to ask from those one. These are the AC bridges. Then electronics part, in circuit theorem, Ohm's law, Kirchhoff's law, superposition, Thevenin's, Norton's, reciprocity, this all you have to do it, because and see this these are all scoring, because you have to, if you practice the diagrams and all, then it will be very much easier to you, because in 12th also you have practiced some diagrams for related meter bridge and Wheatstone's, this all this current related transistor and amplifier, these you have done. Then here also you do and practice the things. Then you see over here again the DC power supply, half wave, full wave, this also in semiconductor you have done. Bridge rectifier, these all, Zener diode, these all the same thing again, so it will be a easier one for you only. So then digital electronics, again the same thing, in semiconductor part only we have studied class 12. Then some extra is there, De Morgan's theorems are there over here, and some XOR gate is there, extra is there, but this year's of 12th physics only they also included XOR. So according to this year's it is the same as you can consider. Now the unit 3, electrostatics and magnetostatics, in this also then Coulomb's law, electric field, continuous charge distribution and all. Then work and energy in electrostatics, the work done to move a charge and all this. Then magnetostatics, all the magnetic fields related you have to study. Then Biot-Savart's law, okay, this is also an important one. Helmholtz coil, these all are important. Okay, so let's see. Then you have to conclude with the practical sessions of these above topics related practical sessions you have to perform, and according to that you have to give your practical exams. Then come to the semester 3 mechanics and thermodynamics. In this unit 1 compound pendulum and all these I have only jotted some specific part, and you have much more, that is compound pendulum, we are deep into that. Then second unit is heat Carnot cycle, then conversion of heat into work, heat engine, Clausius theorem, entropy and all, etc etc. Then unit 3, in unit 3 also thermodynamic related concepts, third law of thermodynamics, Nernst heat theorem and all, these Nernst and all, it is very much important in your academics actually of physics, BSc physics. Okay, and this is semester 3, that means I am talking about second year BSc of physics stream. Okay, second year BSc we came to second year physics. So now vector calculus, second, analog electronics, then vector calculus in unit 1. Then in unit 2 and 3 you have analog electronics related topics that I have not mentioned over here actually, because it was summation of all that of that analog electronics. So then applied physics part 1, in this acoustics, that is study related sound and all, then lasers, then fiber optics, this all sounds interesting in these chapters you have to do. It's good actually. So then biophysics, then materials and properties and applications, what are the material types of materials and all you will study in this. Then again after these three parts in semester 1's part physics, part of physics, then you have to conclude then the practicals. Again lastly you have to appear for the practical and perform the practicals according to above mentioned topics. Then semester 4 we will see. In this also again there's a part is of optics and digital electronics. Over here ray optics and these topics are very much elaborative over here. So you will study in this optics and digital electronics, the diffraction, polarization, digital electronics part. Then quantum physics. In this unit 1, the Schrodinger wave equation, then application of Schrodinger steady state equation, then again applications of Schrodinger steady state equation 2. This all is there in quantum physics. Then again a part is for applied. Actually on semester 3rd we have seen applied physics 1. Over here semester 4 we will see applied physics 2. Then over here introduction to geophysics, then microprocessors, then radiation, then in unit 3 then radiation physics and radio communication. Two parts are there in unit 3. Okay, radiation physics and this. Then again the part is this semester is concluded with the practicals sessions, that is based on this above topics. Now we will come to the third year of BSc physics. Okay, in over here it is of semester 6. It concludes this semester, semester 5. Then under here again some maths is there. So in here the mathematical, thermal and statistical physics is there. Then in that unit 1 probability is there. In class 12 also we have seen probability, but as it is a third year and some R&D will be there regarding probability, complex functions, then differential equations, some advanced versions will be there in this. Okay, definitely. Then statistical thermodynamics is there. Then classical and quantum statistics is there in over here. Then solid state physics over here, crystal physics part 1 unit 1. Then in unit 2 electrical properties of matter. Then unit 3 band theory of solids and conduction in semiconductors. Then unit 4 diode theory and superconductivity, all diode characteristics and all that that we have studied in 12 somewhat in 12, but over here we will study deeply. Then atomic and molecular physics over here also 4 units are there. Then you have to perform we have to study 4 units. I have not mentioned over here. It is a general thing. Okay, so then electrodynamics. Then in electrodynamics it is unit 1 it electrostatics. Then unit 2 electrostatics in matter, polarization and magnetostatics. Then unit 3 magnetostatics in matter and electrodynamics. Then electromagnetic waves, that is EM waves. In class 12 also you have seen or heard. Okay, so it will be also then easier, but it will have some enhanced versions. Then it will all will conclude with the practical sessions. There are all the topics covered in the practical sessions. Then after you will have a project section also, because in third years you have the project sections. You have to submit the projects to your teachers for your marks and viva will be taken. Okay, then we will move to the last semester of the third year BSc physics. Over here it's semester 6 will see classical mechanics. Then central force. In this unit 1 is central force. Then unit 2 is Lagrange equation. Then third fluid motion and rigid body rotation. Then fourth unit is non-linear mechanics. These all are only the titles of the units I have mentioned over here. In this some deep concepts are there, subtopics are also there. Definitely it will be there. Then in electronics part again, that we have seen in digital electronics and gates and all, here also some around 4 units will be there. Here also you will have 4 units, and in that you will have subtopics, many subtopics. Then we'll see nuclear physics. In nuclear physics part you will have in unit first you will have alpha and beta decay. Then you will have gamma decay and nuclear models in unit 2. Then in unit 3 you will have nuclear energy and particle accelerators. Then in unit 4 you have nuclear force and elementary particles. Then special theory of relativity, fourth one, special theory of relativity. In this fourth paper it is, in this you will, in unit 1 you will have special theory of relativity of elastic and relativistic kinetics 1, then relativistic kinetics 2, then relativistic dynamics, then relativity and electromagnetism. Okay, then again the session will conclude with the practicals. You will come across with the above topics you have studied. Then last you have some project work, in that you have to complete it and submit it to your teacher. Okay, so this was the total syllabus for your BSc degree of Mumbai University colleges. And this concludes this video, and I will tell you again that if you like my video, then please subscribe it and like this video, so that I will get motivated, and if you subscribe my channel, then I will actually I used to upload videos and updates and videos related to academics of BSc and class 12 and 11. Then you will be also get those videos and notifications regarding to your subject topics. Till then, thank you, take care, goodbye.